Obukiiko obu aka Uganda Medical and Dental Practitioners Council akarikora hansi ya Ministry y'ebyamagara n'aka Uganda National Council for Higher Education bashohize ebi babire batayira itendekere nyuma bazyo kuzura yaba ebibarukoresa okutendeka abashaho biri aha mutindo. Dr. Ayubu Twaha umuhezi wa mukuru w'akakiiko akagizire ngu no murundi gwa katano bari kutayira itendekere eri.
This is not the first time we're here. This is the 5th time we're doing the inspection. And we did raise a lot of some grey areas which we thought the university will make some improvements on in the previous report. So one of the main aims of coming here is to see how far the university has covered those areas.
Twahagize ngo bashangira itendekero ritine za laboratory zo kutendeka abashaho.
So the labs which are supposed to be used by the students for learning these particular fields of biomedical sciences, that's physiology, anatomy, biochemistry, pharmacology, we don't have labs in Mbarara. That one, to me, if I have to rate them, it is 1 out of 10, which is very bad score.
We actually, as we were preparing for this visit, we were threatened because in your last report, there was a threat to closure. And we have been on our toes saying what will happen if they say close or if they say don't enroll any more students.
Ayongere araganisa ngo akakiiko nikija kukinga itendekere eri baba batatireho buryo bwo kureba ngu batekaho mutindo gurukwetagisa.
We need quality training, we need quality doctors, we need quality investment, especially in terms of infrastructure. We should not back on that. And as regulators, I think it will be, we will not hesitate to close the university if it cannot demonstrate capacity to improve infrastructure.
We need support from higher authorities, support from the ministries, support from the council, and support from really above for us to solve some of those challenges.
Twaha na Ageihangwe bashangira ngo abeji nebategana munonga mu kushoma bushaho ababorekere no kwerarikirira n'abakozi abo bine bari abucwe kabe na butana harigana ekibagizire ngo cy'urukwikirizwa mu matendekero agaruka kutendeka abashaho. Habwa TV WestNehinda.